This is my story. I was thinking about who I am. I studied the theory of foreign language acquisition. MBTI is intj. I don't really believe it, but it's a trend anyway. Scientist type. I became a Korean teacher. It was a career I chose because I wanted to be. And unlike other teachers, I taught students of all ages, from children to adults. Kids like me, adults like me. Because of that valuable experience, I learned more than the theories I studied in graduate school. I realized something more valuable through my students. I learned what's important when humans learn a foreign language. When I was living in New York, among busy people, actually, I had a lot of trouble speaking English. I was definitely a smart student who studied hard. When I was getting into a conversation with Americans, I didn't know what to say. At the time, I thought it was because I was a quiet person, but I realized the difficulties I experienced while learning English were the same difficulties in the process of learning foreign language that happen to everyone. Language is like a maze. Oh, this maze is not that difficult. But what if it's a maze like this, where all sides are tightly closed? How are you going to escape? When humans learn a foreign language, you are constantly disturbed by your native language. If you study a foreign language, you should be able to speak what you studied, just like we do it with printers. However, your printer doesn't produce output even though there are input values. Why? Language happens in everyday life. Study and work, eat, and enjoy. It happens in relationships with people. In the end, language is about how to use it in everyday life, and to do that, you need to be naturally exposed to various situations. Then, you can speak. Whether you learn Korean abroad or in Korea, it's the same as having difficulties when speaking Korean. On my YouTube channel, based on the data I have, throughout teaching hundreds of students, I will create essential grammar for everyday life for you in a very easy way. Write down and watch it comfortably. Rather than learning difficult grammar, understand the principles of basic sentence structure that you can remember whenever you go. With necessary words, it will give you the confidence to speak up. Let's do it together. You'll definitely be able to speak Korean. So, are you ready? Hope you enjoy this class. See you soon.